Hey, so this is the Greenworks 8 inches extension saw. So there's another extension that comes with it. I'm not currently using it. Then they allow you to do a little bit longer. But overall, I've been very satisfied with it. So it has a lock mechanism here. So if any kids will grab it and try to trigger it, it's not gonna go. So that's a pretty good thing. The batteries they charge very well, and I mean, for what I use it, I think it's very good. You add some oil right here, bar oil, so you can see. And then right now I'm gonna do a quick test here. So I've been doing this post, but I need to cut a branch that is right in the path of what is gonna be the fence. So I'm gonna cut it about here. And so this is about 1.5 to maybe 2 inch diameter. See how it does. Here he goes. Time go. I'll cut it. All right, so that's it. I mean, I am no expert whatsoever on cutting branches, but to me it does the job very well. I'll go back, store it, put the battery to charge, so next time I use it there's no issues. Sometimes if the chains come out, what you do is you open it here, and then all you have to do when you open it is put the chain back in place, like you see. Pull it as much as you can. So yeah, you put the chain back in place, pull it as much, put the thing back like it says. It takes a couple. Right there. Hey kitty, what's the cat doing? Ah, it's a good scratch post, huh? And then, oh, it looks like I put it wrong, so I'll go ahead and do it again. Got distracted by the cat. Looks like that was probably something the cat used to play with. Not sure. That's where the new fence is coming through, so needed it to cut it. So yeah, there's this little hole right here. Try to aim that. There you go. So come on. So I did it with no assistance, tied it very well. It's pretty tight, and I'm gonna have to cut this one here as well. There you go. So there that one goes right there. Probably this one, plus this one's a little dry in my opinion, so it's probably gonna be a good one to cut. I'll cut it all the way from over there. So right here, yeah, it looks pretty dry, so that will give me clearance for the fence that I'm building here. I'll put those on the side, and that's it. I believe so. I'll put my post back where I want to place it. Right here. Yeah, I have enough clearance. I think that should be fine. Yeah, probably that little one will be one more. So we'll give it a try right here, so there's nothing interfere. Okay, so yeah, I mean, this is probably a great tool to have. This one is using the 40 volts battery. I know there's a new one with the 80 volt, but you don't really need an upgrade. You can find this one for pretty cheap on Amazon or the store. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.